In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a blueprint in Zoho CRM. We'll be walking through the process step by step to ensure you can easily implement your own customized blueprint. Now, you might be wondering, why use blueprints in Zoho CRM? Well, blueprints serve as a powerful tool to streamline processes, automate tasks, and ensure that your team follows consistent practices, reducing errors and improving efficiency. So, let's dive right in and get started with setting up a blueprint. First, head over to your Zoho CRM account and direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. Here, you'll notice the Setup icon, which looks like a small gear. Click on this gear icon to open up the Setup page. Once you're in Setup, look for the section called Process Management. Within Process Management, you'll find an option labeled Blueprint. Go ahead and click on that. At this point, you'll see an option to create a new blueprint. Click the button labeled Create Blueprint, and this will initiate the process of setting up a new blueprint that fits your specific needs. Now, let's move on to configuring the blueprint basics. The first field you'll encounter will be the module. Here, you have to decide which module you want to apply your blueprint to. This could be something like deals, leads, or any other category that fits the structure of your business workflow. Think about where you most need a structured process in place. Next, you'll come across the layout field. The layout you choose should correspond to the page where your blueprint will be relevant. This is key because it impacts where your blueprint details will be visible and applicable. Select the layout that aligns best with your process needs. Following the layout, you'll enter the Field section. Within this section, you'll be selecting the pick list field that appropriately represents your particular process. For many, this will often be a field like Stage, or a similar category that delineates the various phases your process will undergo. Ensuring you select the accurate pick list field is essential for the proper operation of your blueprint. And that's where we'll stop for today. These initial setup instructions are designed to get you started with creating a tailored blueprint in Zoho CRM that can help make your operational processes smoother and more efficient. Remember, the more you refine and adapt your blueprint to mirror your company's specific requirements, the more beneficial it will be in the long run. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made it much easier for you to set up a blueprint in Zoho CRM. Stay tuned for more tips and detailed guides in future videos.